Hi, welcome to LeadLens. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up LeadLens, scan websites, and turn website data into real business opportunities. You will receive a one-time OTP, enter the code, and you are in. After login, you will be taken to LeadLens dashboard. This is where you can manage your account, scan lead, devices, license key, billings, and other LeadLens features. Next, go to Create License Key and generate license key. You will need this key to activate the LeadLens Chrome extension. Now download and install LeadLens Chrome extension. To install the Chrome extension, follow the instruction given in the website. Enter the license key you generated earlier and congratulations, your LeadLens extension is now activated. Now you are ready to start scanning websites and finding opportunities. The scan console is where LeadLens scans websites and sends the collected data directly to your dashboard. To easily access the console, pin the extension as shown here, then access the console using this button. Want to scan multiple websites? Simply paste your website's URLs into the bulk scanner, one URL per line, like this. Choose how many websites you want LeadLens to process at once, then start scan. LeadLens will handle the scanning and automatically sync completed result with your dashboard. Once the scanning is completed, the scanning result will be synced with our dashboard. Now, for single website scan, simply open a website and use the LeadLens scan button from the extension. Click it and LeadLens will start analyzing the website. Our scanning is completed. You can also use the arrow control to move the scan button to a different position on the screen whenever needed, like this. Once the scan is complete, open the LeadLens dashboard and go to My Lead. Here you will find all the websites you've scanned. Open any lead to see the detailed scan results. LeadLens can collect and analyze information such as email, phone numbers, social profiles, technologies, SEO signals, website performance, business information, contactability, opportunity signals, and more. It also helps you understand whether a website may be worth reviewing before outreach. Want to make the analysis even easier? Click Open LeadLens GPT prompt from the lead, then open our custom LeadLens GPT and paste the prompt. LeadLens GPT will review the collected evidence and help you understand the website, possible problems, business opportunities, and potential next steps. That's it. You now know the basic LeadLens workflow. Scan the website, review the evidence, find the opportunity, take action. There are many more features inside LeadLens, so explore the dashboard and see what else you can do. Happy scanning. Thank you so much.